Hey guys, Pretzel here. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be unboxing my Neca Godzilla 2003 figure. So I got my trusty X-Acto knife, and let's get started on unboxing this figure. And as you can tell, I am back from vacation, sadly enough, but some things have to come to an end, and unfortunately that's one of them. Once I get older and I can actually make my own decisions as an adult, then I'll possibly stay down there longer. Oh yeah! Looks pretty good. We got the side, trying not to get the glare on. And we got the back with the description for the film. And we got that. We got Neca Godzilla, Mothra. Sadly, we won't be getting any of those, depending if Neca gets their license back. And there's the inside. This is going to be the hardest to not have glare on it. There we go. Looks pretty cool. I might have some weird arm issue right here. Looks like it, but I'll get it out of the box to get a closer look at that. Simple enough. We got the stuff that for people who are not that smart. Alright, we'll move the box out of the way. Here's the figure itself. You can see right here. I think it's supposed to be like that though. I can't say for sure. But if it is supposed to be like that, then maybe that means that there's more arm articulation than I anticipated. Now we got my nail clippers, so we'll take these off. Alrighty, that last one, if I can get it. Here, let's check the X-Acto knife. Might be easier. Okay, that did not work. I'm gonna have to buy me a new X-Acto knife because this one's starting to get dull. Alright, nope, there's one on the foot. Of course there is. This way. By the power of Zeus, you shall break. Because I said so. This is not fun, by the way. Hopefully I'll end up probably there we go. Now we got the figure out. Dropping everything on the floor. The figure. Damn, my tail's thick. I'm not gonna do too much when it comes down to moving it because I do not want to break this figure. That would be very upsetting, especially since I won't be able to replace it set them down right here. And then we'll get the tail out. There we go. And I should probably just be able to slide it out now. Or not. Not sliding out is an option too. There we go. Just had to do a little twist and turn maneuver. Yeah, I have seen this before. That the smallest part of the tail is bendy wire, which is, I guess it's fine. It's not really a huge big deal, but not really ideal. Let's see if I can put this in without having to heat it up. See if I can gain myself some heat throughout the room. Nope, that's not gonna work. Alrighty then. And I guess I'll just do this. Get a pretty good look at it. So far, I think it looks really cool. I don't know how I can't say for sure how I'm going to be thinking about the articulation, but I will be warming this guy up as soon as I end this video. And then I will have the review out most likely tomorrow. But, anyways, back you up there. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing. Hopefully if I get the chance, I will be able to buy the Neca Godzilla 1989 figure to do that unboxing and review. But stay tuned for the review coming somewhat soon. And I'll see you next time. Bye.